Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn 105 commonly used English sentences. So, let's start the video. Are you familiar with this area? Are you familiar with this area? Can I get you some coffee? Can I get you some coffee? Finish it by tomorrow evening. Finish it by tomorrow evening. Drop me off at the college. Drop me off at the college. I failed again. I failed again. Don't throw stones at dogs. Don't throw stones at dogs. Which one do you like? Which one do you like? I would like to ask a favor of you. I would like to ask a favor of you. Can you exchange it? Can you exchange it? You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. I have a suggestion. I have a suggestion. Where does it hurt? Where does it hurt? When did you buy the car? When did you buy the car? I like swimming. I like swimming. Would you mind opening the window? Would you mind opening the window? I think I am in love. I think I am in love. I am coming back on February 28th. I am coming back on February 28th. You look happy today. You look happy today. I heard it from the boss. I heard it from the boss. Beware of your belongings. Beware of your belongings. Divided it into 6 equal pieces. Divided it into 6 equal pieces. Always get a second opinion. Always get a second opinion. Be punctual and responsible. Be punctual and responsible. Forgive me for not coming. Forgive me for not coming. Have some more rice. Have some more rice. Cut the cake into small pieces. Cut the cake into small pieces. Be careful of that person. Be careful of that person. Come inside when I call you. Come inside when I call you. Don't tell anyone about me. Don't tell anyone about me. Buy something for yourself. Buy something for yourself. Breakfast is served at 7 a.m. Breakfast is served at 7 a.m. Don't take advantage of this. Don't take advantage of this. He went on walking for 2 hours. He went on walking for 2 hours. Let's watch a movie together. Let's watch a movie together. Hey, don't get frustrated. Hey, don't get frustrated. Give me one last chance. Give me one last chance. Don't talk to me like that. Don't talk to me like that. Dad, where are you now? Dad, where are you now? Could you please make it fast? Could you please make it fast? Lock the door when you leave. Lock the door when you leave. Are you free for dinner tonight? Are you free for dinner tonight? Motivate him to study hard. Motivate him to study hard. Look at your face in the mirror. Look at your face in the mirror. Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? One moment, please. One moment, please. Could I leave early today, please? Could I leave early today, please? Congratulations on getting married. Congratulations on getting married. Can't you come tomorrow? Can't you come tomorrow? Ask her where she went today. Ask her where she went today. Please advise me what to do. Please advise me what to do. Are you done with me? Are you done with me? Can you show me the picture? Can you show me the picture? Be honest even if others are not. Be honest even if others are not. Please call an ambulance. Please call an ambulance. Did you do well in the interview? Did you do well in the interview? Can you give me a hand, please? Can you give me a hand, please? Be happy and make others happy. Be happy and make others happy. Don't bend your head, hold it high. Don't bend your head, hold it high. Please close the tap after use. Please close the tap after use. Hold the baby for some time. Hold the baby for some time. Let's fight against the injustice. Let's fight against the injustice. Please come this way. Please come this way. Make sure you leave on time. Make sure you leave on time. Never lose your character. Never lose your character. Pay attention in class, please. Pay attention in class, please. Please book me a ticket. Please book me a ticket. Did you wake up just now? Did you wake up just now? Go and bring them in. Go and bring them in. Let's see what happens next. Let's see what happens next. Please ask him to call me. Please ask him to call me. Anyway, it is not your problem. Anyway, it is not your problem. Balance both work and family. Balance both work and family. Feel free to contact me. Feel free to contact me. Please don't confuse me. Please don't confuse me. Don't compete with anyone. Don't compete with anyone. Can you throw that away? Can you throw that away? Burst the crackers carefully. Burst the crackers carefully. Don't act smart with me. Don't act smart with me. Did you have enough to eat? Did you have enough to eat? Are you having a good time? Are you having a good time? You look like you've got your hands full. You look like you've got your hands full. Are you doing anything fun after work? Are you doing anything fun after work? I love your dress. May I ask where you got it from? I love your dress. May I ask where you got it from? Are you a morning or an evening person? Are you a morning or an evening person? Hey, what's up? Are you not enjoying it? Hey, what's up? Are you not enjoying it? How has your day been so far? How has your day been so far? What is the weirdest thing you've ever eaten? What is the weirdest thing you've ever eaten? Have you traveled far? Have you traveled far? I love the coffee here. Have you tried it before? I love the coffee here. Have you tried it before? What do you think about the new teacher? What do you think about the new teacher? I hope you don't mind me saying. I hope you don't mind me saying. Your beauty blows me away. Your beauty blows me away. It's our 1-year anniversary today. It's our 1-year anniversary today. I feel so lucky to be with you. I feel so lucky to be with you. When I close my eyes, I only see you. When I close my eyes, I only see you. Let's spend the rest of our lives together. Let's spend the rest of our lives together. That was embarrassing. That was embarrassing. Are you enjoying yourself? Are you enjoying yourself? What would be your dream vacation? What would be your dream vacation? I suppose that it might happen, but it's not very likely. I suppose that it might happen, but it's not very likely. What is your favorite app on your mobile phone? What is your favorite app on your mobile phone? In my view, it was a waste of time. In my view, it was a waste of time. I am not getting involved in it. I am not getting involved in it. Do it this way. Do it this way. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all my new videos.